Hey unicorns, Billy Mika here, and today I'm going to show you how to make map parts with gacha and multifandom. So let's begin! I'm going to show you how to make a map for multifandom collabs. First I'm going to do is creating a project at Cut My Part. Add the black screen for program I'm using for paintings. Create the video as audio. Time for a part. Delete the video from main part. Now then, press the button called Overlayer. Let's go to add the video with the character we want to add. The next step is cut the clips with that person you chose. Okay, we're done with that part. Now then, press an animation button and let's press combo. Let's create the transitions as unique as possible. Let's export the video with 16 FPS in the video. It will be beautiful, trust me. Okay, so let's create a new project with that video. Okay, so we add the video with that part, and let's go ahead and add the effects. add the watermark if you have it. If you don't have it, you can create a watermark with the different programs or in code. Okay, so let's export. The result is already on my channel. Let's go to do map part in gacha. First, screenshots you made in Gacha Club or Gacha Live, I don't know. Second, choose the map and cut the part. Third, add the screenshot. Make the movements as unique as possible. Time for export the project with green screen and create a new project. Next step is add the background and add your OC in the green screen without any camera movements. Camera movements will be making in another project. Use Chroma key to remove the green screen. Let's editing a background and add the transition. You can also add the effects in green screen. Time for export. Next step is creating a new project and made a camera movements. Export the video. Again. So, let's go to the code. Add your map part. And also delete the watermark at the end of the video. We will adding the effects and watermark if you have it. Okay, so let's export the video with watermark and effects. Congratulations! Now you know how to make map art with multifandom and gacha. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button though, so ding ding, you don't miss my newest videos. And I'll see you unicorns next time. Bye!